So, Karthik, you make a point that the co-pilots, right, that every VI tool has tried to offer, they have a lot of limitations, and that there are much more efficient ways to actually leverage AI for analytics. And I'm referring to Babbage Insights' new white paper on proactive insights engine for business leaders and executives. So, could you explain like what are these limitations with co-pilot basically?
The main problem that I find with them is that they're fundamentally reactive. In that, like, it requires you to ask the right question, prompted in the right manner, and then like it's up to you to sort of one interpret the reply, and then to ask the right kind of follow-ups, and then to have the proper back and forth in order for you to get the insight. So we actually recently, like you mentioned about the white paper, like we commissioned some research, and from our research, or close to 50% of non-specialists struggle to form effective analytical prompts. The second thing is that like the question to insight cycle can be slow. I mean, our research shows that the median question to insight cycle is about over 6 hours. And the most important thing is that the co-pilot is limited by what you ask. And so if there's something obvious that's happening, but you didn't bother to ask a question about that, you don't get that insight. And that can cause a significant financial penalty. So if you're a business leader in an enterprise, then you using a co-pilot model, great, much better than using a conventional dashboard. But then you have all these problems in terms of like the friction and the time taken, and that you're anyway going to miss some insights. And so I recommend that you get somebody in your team to read a white paper on the proactive insight engine. Actually, you should also read it. I mean, we have made it simple enough for anyone to read. And then you can think of how you might want to change your approach in terms of using AI for analytics.